Alright, so Second Skin Amplifier Pro. I did do videos of this, but for some reason my camera took a dump. And I lost the video of doing the roof, which is now already done. And I had a video of doing this door. This door is not done, because there's a bit of rust on the inside that I gotta get fixed. But as you can see, inside this door I did one layer in there. Couldn't go up too far because I couldn't get my hand way up in there. And then also filled in with a bit of spray foam. The roof is done all up and around. It's solid as a rock, even at the back of the box. I highly recommend this stuff, so go to Second Skin's website and you can get your stuff there.